Video editing is an essential part of filmmaking. It transforms raw footage into a captivating story. With video editing, you can remove unwanted parts, arrange clips, add music, and much more. This process brings your creative vision to life. Whether it's for personal memories or professional projects, video editing is a valuable skill. Imagine having hours of footage from a family trip. Video editing helps you condense those memories into a short, shareable video. You can remove shaky parts, add captions, and even include background music. This makes your video more engaging and enjoyable to watch. Video editing is not just about cutting and pasting, it's about storytelling. You decide what the audience sees and how they experience the story. By arranging clips, adding transitions, and incorporating music, you shape the emotional impact of your video. Mastering video editing opens a world of possibilities. You can create stunning travel vlogs, compelling short films, or even professional-looking presentations. The power to edit your own videos gives you complete creative control over your projects. To begin editing videos on your PC, you will need video editing software. There are many options available, both free and paid. Some popular choices for beginners include DaVinci Resolve, HitFilm Express, and Capwing. These software options offer a user-friendly interface and essential editing tools. Once you've chosen your software, download it from the official website. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. After installation, launch the software. You will be greeted with the main interface where you can start a new project. Importing your video footage is the next step. Look for an import button or option within the software. This will allow you to browse your computer for the video files you want to edit. Select the desired files and import them into the software's media library. Now that your footage is imported, you can start creating your video. Drag and drop the desired clips from the media library onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where you will arrange, cut, and edit your video clips to create a cohesive flow. Cutting and trimming clips are fundamental editing techniques. To cut a clip, select it on the timeline. Move the playhead to the desired cut point and click the cut tool, usually represented by a scissor icon. This divides the clip into two parts. Trimming allows you to fine-tune the length of your clips. Grab the edge of a clip on the timeline and drag it inward to shorten it. You can also trim the beginning or end of a clip by using the trim tools provided in the software. Arranging clips on the timeline is crucial for storytelling. Experiment with different arrangements by dragging and dropping clips on the timeline. You can easily change the order of events and control the pacing of your video. Don't be afraid to try different things. Editing is about experimenting and finding what works best for your video. Be creative, explore the software's features, and have fun. Transitions help you smoothly connect different video clips. Most editing software offers a variety of transitions like fades, wipes, and cross dissolves. To add a transition, select the desired transition from the effects library and drag it between two clips on the timeline. Video effects can enhance the visual appeal of your video. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and color. Experiment with different effects to achieve the look and feel you desire. Sound is an essential aspect of video editing. You can add music, voiceovers, and sound effects to enhance the mood and impact of your video. Import audio files just like you imported video files. Then, drag and drop them onto the audio timeline. Once you are satisfied with your edited video, it's time to export it. Go to the export settings, choose the desired video format, such as MP4, and select the output quality. Finally, click the export button and let the software process your video. Congratulations, you have successfully edited your first video.